Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE academic and PTE core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Competitive exams are often viewed as a test of knowledge, but they are equally a test of mental fortitude. The pressure to perform can lead to anxiety, which often hinders cognitive function during the test itself. Success in such high-stakes environments is typically correlated with a systematic approach to preparation rather than last-minute cramming. Furthermore, students who prioritize mock testing and time management strategies demonstrate higher levels of resilience. The goal is to move from a state of performance anxiety to one of focused execution, where the candidate feels fully in control of their timing and strategy. The lecture focuses on the psychology of competitive exams. The speaker explains that these tests assess not only knowledge, but also mental fortitude and the ability to handle pressure. The lecture highlights that systematic preparation is more effective than cramming and mentions that mock testing is crucial for success. Furthermore, the speaker suggests that developing time management strategies helps candidates overcome anxiety. In conclusion, the speaker emphasizes that shifting from performance anxiety to focused execution is the key to achieving high scores. The fashion industry is undergoing a massive paradigm shift due to the rise of fast fashion, which focuses on rapid production and low costs. While this has made trends accessible to everyone, it has also resulted in a significant environmental footprint, including excessive water consumption and textile waste. In response, a new movement towards slow fashion is gaining momentum. This approach emphasizes durability, ethical labor practices, and the use of eco-friendly materials. Consumers are now increasingly prioritizing brands that demonstrate transparency and corporate responsibility, forcing the industry to reconsider its production models for a more sustainable future. The lecture discusses the sustainability of the modern fashion industry. The speaker mentions the impact of fast fashion, noting its role in high water consumption and textile waste. The lecture then highlights the emerging trend of slow fashion, which focuses on durability and ethical labor practices. Additionally, the speaker notes that consumer demand for transparency is changing the industry. In conclusion, The lecturer suggests that the fashion industry must adopt more sustainable production models to align with changing values. E-commerce has transformed the retail industry by allowing consumers to shop from anywhere at any time. The rise of secure payment gateways and advanced logistics networks has made online shopping more reliable. However, it has also brought challenges, such as the decline of brick-and-mortar stores and data privacy concerns. Businesses are now adopting omni-channel strategies to blend physical and digital shopping experiences. As technology like AI and VR improves, the e-commerce landscape will continue to evolve, offering more personalized experiences. The lecture outlines the evolution of e-commerce and its impact on retail. The speaker explains that advancements in logistics and secure payments have driven its growth. While noting challenges like data privacy and the decline of physical stores, the lecture highlights the rise of omni-channel strategies. Ultimately, the speaker predicts that AI and VR will create more personalized shopping experiences in the future. Sustainable agriculture is a method of farming that aims to meet society's food needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own. It focuses on maintaining soil health, water conservation, and biodiversity. Unlike industrial farming, which relies heavily on chemical pesticides and synthetic fertilizers, sustainable practices use crop rotation and organic techniques. This approach not only protects the environment, but also produces healthier food. As the global population grows, shifting towards sustainable farming is becoming an urgent necessity. The lecture discusses sustainable agriculture as a way to meet food demands while protecting the environment. The speaker compares it to industrial farming, noting that it avoids chemical use and prioritizes soil health and water conservation. The lecture also mentions techniques like crop rotation and organic practices. In conclusion, the speaker emphasizes that sustainable farming is an urgent necessity due to global population growth. Effective urban planning is essential for creating livable cities. One of the biggest challenges planners face today is transportation. High reliance on private vehicles leads to traffic congestion and increased pollution. To solve this, cities are investing in public transit infrastructure, such as subways, light rails, and dedicated cycling lanes. Furthermore, the concept of walkable cities is gaining popularity, where essential services are within a short distance. By prioritizing public mobility, cities can reduce their carbon footprint and improve the quality of life for residents. The lecture addresses urban planning and the challenges of city transportation. The speaker explains that reliance on private vehicles causes traffic and pollution. The lecture highlights solutions such as public transit infrastructure and the development of walkable cities. Furthermore, it mentions that these changes can significantly reduce carbon footprints. To conclude, improving mobility is essential for enhancing the quality of life in urban areas. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.